Hello everyone, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Silvina, and in today's video, as you may have been able to tell by the title of this video, I finally settled in a permanent place here in London. So I'm basically on a flat share with other two girls, which are awesome. And yeah, this is my room. And so in this video, we're going to decorate it. It's already all over the place, as you can see in my background. I don't know if you can see anything, but yeah, we're gonna actually put it together and make it actually look like a room. So I'm gonna insert here a little bit of how it looked when I just moved in. It only had a bed, a wardrobe, a chest of drawers, and a bedside table. But the bedside table and the chest of drawers, I put it in deposit because they were too big for me, and you know, this room is not that big, so I need other things, like for example a desk, because I work from home. So let's go. my god, this is actually quite hard to do. I mean, it's not hard, it just takes a long time and it's a lot of effort, but I do love, you know, assembling furniture and all that, so it's good. So now I have to get on with my chair, like my desk chair, and some shelves that like a shelf unit that I purchased. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go have lunch and then we'll continue in the afternoon. So I've decided that I'm going to bring back the bedside table that is in deposit, and I'm gonna put it in that corner so I can put my makeup and, you know, organize a little bit of that mess over there. So yeah. So I have this empty area here, which is a fireplace, but it doesn't work basically. So I decided that here I'm gonna store like all of my electronics. So I bought this little basket, which is really cute. It's from Sustren Green, and I'm gonna put it here, and then I'm gonna put my electronics here, like I said. Hopefully they'll fit in. it doesn't look that cute, but you know, it works. So I also assembled this, you know, shelves. As you can see, you know, that thing is not that cute, but it's the only, you know, way I could maintain it, because it kind of, you know, just moves, and I cannot mount it to the wall because this is a rental and I cannot do that. So this was the only way that I could find. If you have any, you know, ideas, please let me know down in the comment section. Obviously not mounted, but you know, something that makes it look a little bit more cute, just let me know. And now we are going to decorate it.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of bird.